Hey there, this is Leslie from East Bay Screens, and today we're demoing a high-end fabric called UltraVue. It's made by Phifer Wire, which is a US-based company making window and door screen and wire since 1932. This fabric is really sweet. So that's the side of the window without screen, and that's the side of the window with screen. And you might be thinking, I can't tell the difference. So there's the handle. So on this cell phone video, you probably can't see the wire, but let's see if we can zoom in on it. And there you can kind of see it. Really nice product. So if you're interested in getting some really nearly invisible fabric, give us a call. I'm standing about 5 feet away from the window now, and you practically can't see it. All right, once again, this is Leslie from East Bay Screens. Give us a call if you'd like to get some UltraVue.